an apple and you leave it at the table, what's going to happen to the meat inside of the apple?
What happens, Tyler?
Like, diba, it's yellowish white in color, but as time passes, let's say 3 hours, what will happen?
What will happen? Mga time lapse na pinapanood.
What will happen in 3 hours? Would it turn yes? It will rot, yes, exactly.
What color?
It will turn brownish in color and you'll know that something has changed. There has been a chemical reaction. And that's how color change works. Whenever something changes, we know that there's a chemical reaction and we'll figure out whether something is still good to eat, whether something is still, is still pwede pa rin kainin, and is still safe actually. It's still safe for us humans na i-touch or maging around. So here, Dennis is gonna show us one color change experiment that's surely gonna pique your interest. So, Dennis.
Okay, so here we have a bottle of water. Bottle pa lang pala, so wala pa siyang tubig. So here we have a bottle of water. Iodine, right? And vitamin C. So first, let's focus on iodine. Saan natin ginagamit ang iodine?
Sa sugat.
Sa sugat, right?
Yes.
Diba? So, pinapahid lang natin.
Hindi.
Right? Hindi naman siguro iniinom. Wala naman siguro umiinom ng iodine.
Hindi po kayo nagpunta para magbenta.
And anong kulay ng iodine? What is its color?
Ano ba kulay niya? Brown?
Right? Very dark
Yung
brown.
iodine. Oh, brown.
Anong kulay ng brown?
Anong kulay
Right?
din?
Very
Iodine.
dark.
Brown.
Now what about our water?
Clear.
Clear. Exactly. Now I will add some iodine into our water. And tell me what is happening. Is it changing in color? Yes. It's turning brown, right?
Yes.
So I'll just add a little bit more. Okay, that should be enough. And now you can see it has turned brown, brownish color, right? And meron nagsasabi na parang iced tea siya. Okay, pero yung iced tea pwede mong inumin. Ito hindi, bawal siya inumin. Kasi nalagyan natin ng iodine. Now I have here vitamin C. Right? So papakita ko sa inyo kung ano ang kulay ng vitamin C.
What color ang vitamin
So what is its color?
What color?
What color?
White,
Yellow.
white yellowish, right? Yes, white yellow. So now I want to add only a pinch of our vitamin C into our water and iodine mixture. What do you think will happen?
Anong
What will
mangyayari?
happen?
Let's see. Okay, so I'm only putting a little bit. Nothing has happened yet. Now I want you guys to give me a countdown of 3 seconds.
Count ka.
And then I will shake the bottle. So in 3, 2, 1, and what happened? What's the color now? It's clear, right? It's clear substance again. Well, that is because when we mix iodine and vitamin C, we create iodine. And iodine is colorless. So that is color change. So let's go back to color change, and color change sends us a message, right? It sends us that something is happening and something is changing. And for our case, in our experiment, that message is a chemical reaction has occurred and iodine was formed. And for our next experiment, color change will be explained by Kenneth.
So, yeah, that's really helpful. Yes? Oxygen. And what do we breathe out? Yes?
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide.
Galing
Okay,
naman.
that's great. Naalam ng audience members natin ang dalawang important gases. Now, I have here a substance called phenolphthalein. Do you guys know what phenolphthalein is? Or kind of familiar now? Well, phenolphthalein is what we call, in science, an indicator. It is an indicator of acids and bases. So, when we say an indicator, it is something that tells us what type of substance it is, whether it is acidic or basic in nature. So what is the color of phenolphthalein? Let me see.
Clear.
What is the color of our water?
Clear.
So if you add two clear things together, what do you think will happen? It will still be clear, right?
Yes.
So subukan na. Just gonna add a few drops. 1, 2,
3.
3.
So it's still clear, right? Because we added two clear substances together. It's still going to be clear, right? This isn't just water anymore. It's water with phenolphthalein, but it's still clear. Wala naman masyadong nangyari. But we're gonna add something special. This is sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate is what we call washing soda. Washing soda is present in our laundry detergents. And ito yung color niya. Here. I'll just throw them around. Ito is
What color?
white. Diba? It's white.
What color?
Why?
White.
Mais ka.
So it's white. So whenever we mix white substances with clear colored substances, like for example, we mix white things with water, what usually happens? What usually happens when we mix white substances with clear substances?
What happens?
Diba the clear substance turns white? So we mix phenolphthalein with this clear water. So watch what happens here. As I said, phenolphthalein turns acids clear, diba? So acids would turn clear with phenolphthalein. But watch what happens with sodium carbonate.
Ah,
Oh no!
turns into
Purple! Pink!
It turned into a pink substance. So that is what
You're correct!
phenolphthalein tells us. So here, phenolphthalein turns acids clear,
Clear.
while basic substances turn pink. Now, what is again the air that we breathe out?
oxygen.
Carbon dioxide. So, I'll ask for two audience members to add carbon dioxide into our solution. Who wants to get up?
Taylor.
Welcome to the front.
Taylor.
Blow mo, go.
Look.
You too? Yeah, here. Ito ka.
Doon. Ikot. Taylor.
Taylor. Ayun, the next guy. Okay, so what's your name? What's your name? Rain? Rain? Ah, Rain. Ikaw, Kuya Caleb.
I
Tama
know
ba?
your name.
Silent?
Naghanap ng ID.
Siler.
Siler. Ah, Siler. Siler and Rain. So you want to stand in the center? Come here. Okay. So, there. Palakpakan naman natin sila, yung mga gamitin natin mga volunteers, di ba? So, don't drink the solution, just blow bubbles onto it,
Blow.
okay?
Blow.
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 No, just blow. Just blow it. Don't drink it, ha? Blow. Yeah, blow, blow, blow.
Blow. Nagiging
Just
buti.
blow.
Wala, magiging water.
Ah, blow.
Blow. Blow more. Wow.
Sige, more.
Hey guys, look, the solution's turning clear, di ba? Let's go.
Galing. What happened? What color?
Clear.
Galing.
I'm out of breath.
Yay. Thank
As you can see, guys, the solution turned clear. So I'm gonna ask you something. Di ba we exhale carbon dioxide? So is carbon dioxide acidic or not? What do you think? Yes or no?
Sabi ang
Is
sagot.
it acidic or
I
not?
don't know.
No?
I
No.
don't
No.
know.
I don't know. Well, it's actually not acidic. So you see, carbon dioxide in of itself is not acidic, but when it mixes
Full. Exactly. So now I want to demonstrate low air pressure with our materials here. So I have tower cups, right, and some feathers. Okay,
Feathers.
one more. So now I want these feathers to fly from at the bottom all the way to the top and go out of the cups. Now, how do I do it? I would like to propose two movements. Okay? So the first movement is like this. And the second one, cone-shaped movement, is like this. Which one do you think we should try first? Something like this. Okay, so let's try both. So, first, let's try our first movement, the circular movement. Nothing's really happening, even if I go fast or slow, or even here. Nothing's happening. How about the second one? The one where it's cone-shaped. Okay, look closely, alright?
Wow.
So, did it fly? Yes, right? So let's try it again. Okay, I can even lift it up.
Yes.
So that is because of low air pressure. So low air pressure pulls, right? So here at the top, the cups, there's a lot of movement, big movement, which creates fast air. Now this fast air pulls in all the air towards it. So like this. So there's fast air here, it pulls, and it pulls all the air from below, right? So when the air gets pulled from below, the feathers get pulled along with it. And a big example of this would be in the skies, right? When there low air pressure collects a lot of clouds. And sometimes those clouds become heavy and rain happens, right? But sometimes, even if there are a lot of clouds, right, it doesn't really rain, right? Only sometimes. And that is it for our low air pressure.
When the clouds are gray. Ah.
Sometimes they don't really rain, even if they are gray, right? Now, okay, also,
And also, it doesn't just bring clouds. Tsunamis, like storms.
okay, yes, exactly, it's right. So now that is it for our low air pressure. Yes,
Brings trees and snacks.
exactly, right. It's very right. I'm not joking. Okay, he's
Do
absolutely
you know
right.
how to do
Now,
it?
that is it for our low air pressure. Now I want low air pressure and high air pressure.